In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet Pro MFP Series M148fdw series or printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and into Google search for HP LaserJet Pro MFP M148fdw support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP LaserJet Pro MFP 148fdw. Go ahead and select that. And then on this page, you want to scroll down underneath Driver Product Installation Software and select the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M148fdw Printer Full Software Solution. Go ahead and download that item in here. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And if you receive a user account control prompt, should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then just proceed with the on-screen wizard here of getting your printer configured for your device, getting it connected to your Wi-Fi, or if you're using a wired-based connection, whatever your preference may be. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.